In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Spotify while gaming on your ROG Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, all you want to do is go ahead and press your Xbox button. It's going to show all these different tabs. So you just want to keep scrolling all the way to the right. Then you're going to see the widget store. So go ahead and click on that. It's going to show you any installed widgets you have. Right now I have 2, but you're going to be able to go through all of these and look at any other ones that you might want. And you can just go through all of these. But obviously, if you want to look through and find Spotify, it's usually going to be the first option. Now, all you got to do is go ahead and click install. Now, the installation time will just depend on your internet speed. Like, it might take longer or shorter for, like compared to me, just depending on how fast your internet is and whether you're connected to an Ethernet or not. But it really doesn't take that much time overall. So as you can see, the install bar is going right now, and then you just got to wait for it to install, and then you're going to be able to use it. So right now it's installed. I can uninstall it from the exact same place if I want to as well. But now when I go through tabs, I'm going to see another new Spotify tab. So what you can do is launch Spotify and play music, podcasts, and more from your Xbox game bar. So I'm just going to press start listening right there. Then it's just going to prompt me to a page where I have to just sign in, log in, or I can scan my code on my phone to log in as well. And then I'm going to be able to listen to anything on Spotify and choose any of my music while playing other games. And to switch back to my games, I could just go and hold down the Xbox button, switch through my tabs, and let's just say I can just go back to GTA 5 if I wanted to do that. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out our other ROG Xbox Ally X videos on this channel.